guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. For those of you that are new, my name is Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you kind of like an impromptu recipe. This wasn't planned at all, but I make this quite often right now because I crave it a lot. It's my parsley and bean dip. I use this for carrots, any fruit, any veggie really, tortilla chips, pretzels. It's so good. It's really good for you. It's all really easy, simple ingredients, so I know you guys are gonna love it. Make sure to keep watching to see how easy it is. Alrighty, so to make this, you're gonna need some parsley. I just washed it and kind of took it off the stems. You'll need some olive oil, cannellini beans, salt, black pepper, garlic, and some lemon juice. That is it. Alright, so for this, you're gonna need either a food processor. I'm using my Ninja blender because it's just easier for me to do. You're literally dumping everything into your blender or food processor. So your beans go in, your parsley goes in. There we go. You're gonna put in your garlic. I just do the full garlic cloves because, well, it's getting blended up anyway, so I'm not gonna waste my time. Some lemon juice. And I do about half a lemon. Oops, I got a little bit of seeds in there. The juice of half a lemon. If you like it more lemony, feel free to add more lemon. For me, I think it's perfect. You're going to need a drizzle of olive oil. And then when you blend it, if you need more, you can add more. A generous pinching of salt. It's important for salt. And then, of course, you finish it off with black pepper. As little or as much as you want. You're going to put your top on and you're just going to blend it until it's smooth and then dip it in some chips. I do pretzels and carrots. It's my favorite. It's my go-to snack right now. And you're golden. Keep it in your fridge and you're set for the week. I promise you, you're going to love this. It's delicious. So I hope you give it a try. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.